Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: free inventory space, a half stack of pine logs, and the Runeslayer recipe unlocked. First, approach the Pine Grove node nearest your map marker. This reduces travel time and resource loss. Once there, use your Runeslayer tool on a pine log to begin the conversion sequence. You do this now so you build momentum. Early success prevents wasted trips back to base. Make sure to keep the tool equipped and monitor durability as you proceed. Once you've converted a few logs, switch into batch mode. Process logs in groups of 10 to maintain efficiency and minimize tool downtime. Employ a quick slot sequence. Select tool, target log, then confirm to reduce input lag and keep your rhythm. You should time each craft to the 3 to 5 second window the system gives. Hitting that window raises success rates and preserves tool durability. If a conversion fails, pause and reset your stance. Rapid retries can trip internal cooldowns. You finish by processing remaining pine logs until the Runeslayer item drops into your inventory. Check randomness can require patience. If success rates drop, inspect tool condition and repair it, or apply a temporary success buff to raise odds by roughly 10%. Once done, bank the Runeslayer immediately to avoid loss. If animations stutter or you see desync, clear your inventory of non-essentials and relog. That simple step fixes most stuck craft or drop missing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.